So now we try to understand this diagram. In previous slide, we already discussed the load operation. Rest of thing we try to understand. You already know the basic concept like IPL is started from the system console, that means HMC or master console. Once the IPL is started, the bootstrap module is loaded into central storage at real address 0 and given control. The bootstrap module then read the IPL control program IEA IPL 00 or IPL text and passes control to it. IEA IPL 00 prepare an environment suitable for starting the programs and module the make up the operating system. IEA IPL 00 is turn start the more complex tasks for loading the operating system and executing it. Also, it clear all online real storage to hex 0 except for the area occupied by itself. It maps the virtual storage required for the master scheduler address space to a real storage location. Also, it invokes the series of program called IRIM, which is loaded in the sys1 nucleus, and IEA IPL 00 it cleared the central storage to zeros before defining the storage area for the master scheduler. It locates the sys1 nucleus dataset on the sysres volume and load a series of programs from it that known as the IPL resource initialization modules we called IRIMS. These IRIMS being creating the normal operating system environment for control block and the subsystem. IRIMS more significant task prepared by the IRIMS read the load palm information entered on the hardware console at the time of IPL command was executed, and also it searched the volume specified in the load palm member for the IODF dataset. And IRIM will first attempt to locate the load XX, then sys0.ipl palm to sys9.ipl palm, and or finally it in called the sys1.palmlib. It loaded a member is found, open and read the information including the nucleus suffix unless override the load palm, the master catalog name and suffix of the load sysxx member to be used. The system continues the initialization process, interpreting and acting on the system parameter that were specified IEA sysxx and IEA sysNN. A member of the palmlib contain the parameters and it point the control the direction that the IPL takes. The system programmer or operator may alert this parameter as a necessary. All these things happened in the IPL process.